Are you looking for a diet that lets you eat the foods you love without major restrictions and still be able to lose weight? Or a diet that literally turns your fat into your daily energy? Then the keto diet may be a good solution for you. The keto diet, also known as the ketogenic diet, is a low-carb, high-in-fat diet. And apart from losing weight fast, you may also experience benefits such as reduced cravings, because the foods you eat naturally fill you up and provide you with enough sustenance to last your entire day. Improved concentration and brain power, because once the diet breaks down your fat, it turns it into an energy source that your brain loves much more than glucose. And you are not required to count daily calories. And if you are new to the keto diet and this sounds interesting, then you'll find my course valuable. This training is meant to be a quick start guide to the keto diet. After taking this course, you will have the required know-how to get started on your keto diet. Here's what you learn inside. The basics of the keto diet and how it turns your body into a fat-burning machine. The biggest challenges that you will face while on keto and how to overcome them. You'll get familiar with all the keto terms such as ketosis, ketones, the keto flu, keto breath, and more. You'll learn how to recognize that the keto diet is working and it's not just by losing weight, and how to use keto to fast-track your weight loss goals. No prior experience with the keto diet is required, as this course will give you the fundamental knowledge of the keto diet and how it works for rapid weight loss. Join today and learn why over the past few years this has become one of the most popular diets, and how it can help you achieve your ideal weight. I'll see you inside.